we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Starline Pro on a 2018 Audi Q7. Thief's got your key, go to start it, car's not even going to start. So for the customer, foot off the brake, tap the ignition, pop the code in that they choose, left, right is what we've set for now. Hear the melody, foot on the brake and start. If they don't want to use a code, they can pair a phone. So we'll just show you that. So the phone's connected, we'll just turn the Bluetooth on so it becomes in range. Now all they got to do is just get in the vehicle and start it as normal. Hear our melody straight away and the car fires up. This system also has a service mode, so if they take the vehicle back to Audi to get serviced, they hop into the app, press and hold on the key, turn this green to yellow, let go and get 2 bleeps. There we go, that turns the system off. This is a totally normal car until the customer decides to turn it back on. So Audi can move it around their workshop, do what they need to do on the vehicle, and they'll be none the wiser there's an Immobiliser fitted. When you get it back, press and hold. When it goes green, let go. That turns the system back on. Just to double check, we'll turn the Bluetooth off, turn the vehicle off, and on the Pro we can give it a test straight away. As you can see, it's not firing up, it's looking for the code or the phone. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro on an Audi Q7, has digital and analog blocking. So you may have seen some of our other videos where it won't select a gear. This also has that, but on top of that has the no start facility. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.